Until now, folding chairs were ugly.
How much can one villain take?
And uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable and made Thomas cross.
You need them in your home for entertaining, but are embarrassed when you bring them out. Introducing the revolutionary Mesh, the folding chair that you'll want to show off. So no.
Don't let your kids watch it!
What's this? Over 2,000 pounds of force! Yet with heavy use. Chairs using the same comfortable mesh can cost over $1,000. Call now to get your Mesh 1 for only 2 payments for $1,000. And you'll get a 10-year limited warranty.